everyone. Welcome to AForAppleSongsTV. Are you ready to meet some colorful garden friends? We are going to learn the names of 30 yummy vegetables that help us grow big, strong and smart. Let's start our veggie parade and have some fun. Carrot. A carrot is long, orange color and very crunchy. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a bunch of tiny green trees. Potato. A potato is brown on the outside and soft inside. Tomato. A tomato is round, red and very juicy. Corn. Corn is yellow and has many tiny sweet kernels. Cucumber. A cucumber is long, green and very cool. Peas. Peas are small, round and hide in a green pod. Pumpkin. A pumpkin is big, orange color and very heavy. Onion. An onion is round and has many thin layers. Lettuce has big green leaves that are very crispy. Spinach is a dark green leaf that makes you strong. Eggplant. An eggplant is shiny, purple and very smooth. Bell pepper. A bell pepper can be red, yellow or green. Cauliflower looks like a big white and fluffy cloud. Sweet potato. A sweet potato is orange and tastes very sweet. Radish. A radish is small, round and bright red. Cabbage. A cabbage is a big round ball of green leaves. Red chili. A red chili is small, thin and very, very spicy. Lady's finger. A lady's finger is green, pointy and has tiny white seeds inside. Bottle gourd. A bottle gourd is long, light green and very smooth. Beetroot. A beetroot is round and very, very purple. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic is small, white and has a very strong smell. Ginger. Ginger. Ginger is a bumpy brown root that tastes spicy. Green bean. Green bean. A green bean is long, thin and very snappy. Mushroom. Mushroom. A mushroom looks like a tiny little umbrella. Turnip. Turnip. A turnip is a round root that is white and purple. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. A bitter gourd is green and has bumpy skin all over. Rich gourd. Rich gourd. A rich gourd is long, green and has sharp lines on its skin. Spring onion. Spring onion. A spring onion is long, green and white at the bottom. Yam. Yam. A yam is a big brown root that is very starchy and yummy. Great job, little friends! We learned 30 amazing vegetables today. Eating your veggies makes you happy and healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AForAppleSongsTV. See you soon. Bye bye, kids.